Good, Joan. Find a pen. Let's go.
You clapping? You clapping?
I'm Little Miss Sunshine. When the sunshine is glowing, my whole world starts glowing. I'm happy, so happy today.
Good girl, Zoe. Found a pen. Good times.
Okay, let's put that on the airwaves.